Okay, now 44. Task 2 we will do from like a bulk users adding the PowerShells. How to add the PowerShells through. This is the task 2. Okay, nothing much from that. Always you should create you can open the PowerShell as a run administrator. So you can install first, you should install the Microsoft input like modules. You can click PowerShell, you can yeah, you can install. You can while tab that while input like a tab, you can automatically you can see modules and Microsoft. Sorry, this one is automatic open. Graph. I'm going to install from the Microsoft Graph. Let me check because I can't copy and paste it from this much mismatch from that because it's error saying that package install not found for Sabita creativity. Okay, that is fine. So because this Microsoft Graph is could be totally different. Oops. But I'm copying and pasting something totally different. Let me check. I can why I can't copy this one. Yeah, okay. Let me install. Let me hold on. Okay, let me I'll type something. Yeah, here it's typing. Now install the graph. So this is the one. So it's take like a few seconds to install from that. So until now we have to do, we waited from like a couple of minutes to remove from this. Let me refresh. Let me check. We can remove from that or not. Yeah, now successfully remove that. It will remove from the few seconds. Now see, now it's removed from that. Okay, earlier we had a sum of the issue. Okay, now it has showing has the some queries. So if you want to install the form all, you can select A. If not, you want to install form like a model form only from the PS gallery, you can select Y. Okay, I'm going to select A. I need to install from everything. Okay, now it's installed from that. Now I'm going to install get. Now I'm going to run that get install model from the Microsoft Graph. Okay, now I'm typing. It won't be something issue with my this thing. So let me, I'll all the commands and everything I'll put it from the my descriptions. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so we can check. So the version 2.19 Microsoft Graph PS Gallery Microsoft Graph PowerShell mode installed. Now I'm going to connect like a users directory. So I'm using this. I'm use connect the my mggraph.scope and users rewrite. Now it will open the new window. I'm going to log into my administrator account. Okay, so I'm using this and I'm entering the password. Maybe it will ask the authenticator access. Yeah, I'm giving the permissions level graph. Okay, now successfully added. See all the connections successful added from like this is our what account ID as well. So we added from this until now we can check get mg users. So it will show in all the users informations verifications. See all the users details. Here we can see like a 44 users list. So now we're gonna do, so we have like a 44 users. Okay, so I'm going to do set the temporary password from like all 44 users. Okay, if you want to send the temporary password set like if you want to reset the password from that, we can do like directly the Entra ID. If not, if I can use as the PowerShells, so like we can use this command pvd profile here everything. Okay, here I'm going to set temporary passwords, so we can use uh, same password from that. Okay, earlier we used. Okay, so I use before that just double check all of the spaces and everything. Okay, now I copy this one. I went to here PowerShell, just enter. Now it's automatically the password has been changed. Okay, for example, I will show you one of the user account how it will working. So this user is temporary account. So Krish, so I will refresh that. Okay, now I'm going to log in a user's nether account from that. Let me, I'm going to the Entra ID. So users account, all users. I just copy the users principal and went to here. I copied, went to profile. I went to here, this one. You can check whether you can edit from that. Okay, see this password has been, sorry for that, I think this password is complex. So this has been enter like a password change, maybe which use password has been we use this. Yeah, we have said that. Let me check. Okay, so here we, sorry for that by mistake, we have set like a temporary password from that, which is we create the new all users. Okay, so right now I'm going to add new users, then you can check. So here we can add like our on microsoft.com. The new users. Okay, so I'm going to set password also. I'm not set from that because I already set the which is like a earlier which is we create the new users is automatically take from this profile and everything. Okay, let me, I'll type this, I enter, let me check. Yes, now this user has been created. Let me check what is it is password and everything. Okay, if I'm going to create any new users, it's automatically ask the, let me go to here and next, while enter the password, let me ask this password and see whether they can take. Yeah, now it has to move to like a new, the like a change the password. Okay, forced to change the password. Okay, okay, but here note that I haven't set like a password change because we set like a false. If you set like a true, then it will, when you change the, when you log in the first time, it will ask the like what, the password change options. Okay, okay, now it has been done.